Hello again, this is Jeremy from Matrix Integrated, Bend, Oregon. Showing you this Sprekko back from California for some other upgrades. So you can see since the last video, it has numerous Baja lights in the front, VanCompass hidden winch setup. Nice job on the Bajas. As far as giving a lot more light. I'll show you some Bajas in the back too, but what I wanted to showcase now was the S&B fuel tank, extended range, and VanCompass skid plate. So this is the 45-gallon S&B tank because it's all-wheel drive van. So you can see how much farther it goes back than factory. And again, this is the VanCompass skid plate, which has this rear plate and the front plate in addition to the main plate. Main plate is for the OEM tank. This is the extended skid plate version for the S&B tanks. A couple different part numbers for that. Some more Baja lights in the back, very cool. Be able to see what you're backing up into. Anyway, again, Jeremy at Matrix Integrated, Bend, Oregon, showing you this Winnebago Ekko, what we call a Sprekko. Forgot to show you the suspension underneath again. VanCompass 10-way adjustable rear shocks, leaf springs, and again these awesome VanCompass Falcon rally struts. Again, Jeremy Matrix Integrated. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.